Last time I asked you to expand x plus y to the 7. So let's write it here. It's going to be x plus y to the power of 7. Let me put the equal sign. What will this be equal to? Alright, we've got to make a little space up here. We're going to have to make some space here. So, what did you get? Last video I asked you to expand it. What did you get? Let us see what's going to happen here. The powers of x. It will be x to the 7, x to the 6, x to the 5, x to the 4, x to the 3, x to the 2, x to the 1, x to the 0. Powers of y. Y to the 0, y to the 1, y to the 2, y to the 3, y to the 4, y to the 5, y to the 6, y to the 7. Okay. We have to be fighting for space here, you know. Alright. We're going to be adding these numbers, so let me put the addition sign from now. We're going to be adding them. And then the numbers that will multiply each x and y. Which number is going to multiply x to the 7? Well, from looking at what happened before, we can safely say it's going to be 1. So 1 will multiply each end xy pair. But the number that will multiply is x to the 6, y to the 1, then x to the 5, y to the 2. Let's see if we can get it from here. We're going to have 1 at each end. 6 and 1 is 7. 6 and 15 will be 21. 15 and 20 is 35. 15 and 20, 35 again. 15 and 6, 21. 6 and 1, 7. So we can see the numbers. It will be 7. The next number is 21. Then 35. And 35. And 21. And 7. So x plus y raised to the power of 7 is really x to the 7 plus 7x to the 6y plus 21x to the 5y to the 2 plus 35x to the 4th y to the 3 plus 35x to the 3y to the 4th plus 21x to the 2 y to the 5th plus 7x to the 1 y to the 6 plus x, so plus y to the 7th. Oh, okay, good. But then, we had used the patterns from what was expanded before to get the next expansion. Suppose you are asked to expand something like x plus y to the power of 15. Whoa. Well, certainly you couldn't very well go and expand to the 1, then the 2, then the 3, and going up to the 13, then 14, and 15. That would be too much work. It would take too long. So there has to be some other way of getting that expansion. We'll look at that in the next video. So I will see you then.